Today we're looking at this Audi A4 Quattro to see if it has a bad turbo. All of the indicators point that it has a bad turbo. It will not accelerate quickly. It drags, takes a while to get up to highway speeds, and it's smoking out of the exhaust. Just idling, you don't see a lot of smoke. Oh, there's smoke out of the other side, little smoke out of this side, and you see how wet the exhaust pipes are. You can see and smell the smoke there. I'm gonna rev the engine, see if it puffs out a little more, but sometimes it doesn't until you put a load on it. You can see the smoke billowing out now, and it's trying to stall with the smoke, mainly because it's burning out of the turbo. Right now, I have the car floored, and you can see the smoke, but we're really not accelerating. We're in second gear, car smoking like a train, and we're only going about 20 miles an hour. It gives little hiccups to go, but as you can see, I'm leaving a trail of smoke behind me. I'm gonna turn around and let you face the smoke that we are leaving behind us. So that's it there. You can see all the smoke that it's leaving the whole time it's driving. This thing is horrible. And it's just leaving a trail of smoke behind me. And that's how it looks through the rear view mirror, if you can see that. So that's how it looks when the turbo's bad. Folks, smoke's filling up inside the car. So we got smoke pouring out of both exhausts right now. So I'm gonna see if I can find a turbo in the salvage yard. If not, I'll see if my buddy Nick Knight can rebuild it. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.